Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie Sylvia. This clip will go in the beginning, and then the next few clips you're going to see me cleaning my room. Cleaning. What else did I did? I showed you guys what I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark. Sorry, I'm holding my phone. It's like 2 something. Hold on. It's about 3, and I'm still in my PJs. 2:53 p.m. Eastern time. I usually don't get dressed until I finish cleaning. There's no sense for me to get dressed and then to start cleaning. So in the next few clips and these clips, you guys see me cleaning. But if you're new to my channel, just want to say hi. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you guys had a great New Year's. Like, guess what? I got sick. So I'm trying to get better. My whole family's sick. Like, my mom is just sniffles, coughing, my nose like running. That's pretty much it. And my asthma is like over the roof. But I do hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys will see this video today. What else? I will have a new video up probably tomorrow of my new schedule. So that way you guys can stay consistent on my videos. But right now I'm just going to clean my my little nieces and my mom's bed. Just to help them around the house. So I don't mind that. This Saturday I'm going to a quince actually. For my stepdad's side of the family, I'm going to not his daughter, someone in his family quince. So I won't be able to record that. If I do record, I'll record clips of it. So you guys can see me get ready and everything like that. That's this Saturday. So, yeah. I don't work the whole week. So I'm trying to, put out content for you guys. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put my hair up. I don't like it when it's like this. So, yeah. I'm going to put you guys right here. So, yeah. And I'll see you guys at the end. Hi everyone, so I decided to tell you guys, to show you guys what I'm going to be selling in my Poshmark app. So the first thing, I think I showed you guys, but I kind of fast forward because my little niece and nephew are on their tablets. So this is it's a Kenneth Cole reaction, and it's in a XL. So I'm thinking of selling this. I think you guys get to see the color a bit more, but I will take a picture on my Poshmark. So I'm thinking of selling this for like 35 to 45, I'm not sure. But it does have pockets right here. It's in a pretty good condition. So I'll be selling kids clothes. So these are in a size 2T from Gymboree. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be selling. I'll be selling my clothes and kids' clothes. These are PJ sets, PJ shorts. This right here is just a regular shirt. I'll make sure to list the prices. It will not be expensive, I promise. This other thing, it says All State Varsity Champs, and this in the size large, which is 7 for jumping beans. So it's a pretty cute sweater. I'm gonna go pretty quick. These are PJs pants. If you have little ones, they're really good. Bibs, they're lightly used. So I think I'm gonna be selling a 3-pack. They usually range from $5 to $10, depends on where you get it. In case you're wondering why I'm sniffling, I'm sick, like always. I got these really cute what are these? Swim trunks. And it has Mickey Mouse, if your kids really like Mickey Mouse. Size 12 medium. Kids, so. I'll be selling girls' clothes too. I'll make sure to price the things and tell you guys the prices. So, that one. I'm going pretty quick. And I got this one, Sea Football Kids. We got another sweater, which is Handsome. Handsome runs in the family. Let me know if you want this shirt. Handsome runs in the family. Okay, these pants. I'll be selling my clothes too, like clothes that really don't fit me. So they're pretty good. They do have pockets. Hold on. Yeah, they do have pockets, boys. We got these. If you have kids that are starting school and they're in the uniform. Let me go over here because I think you can see me better. These, they're pretty long. One of these days I'll be taking pictures of them. These are, they go under the, whatever you call it. These are pajamas. They don't go with the shirt. And they're pretty simple, if you have little kids. I got this one. We have this shirt here. That says Lee. I think this one goes maybe with the pajama set that I just showed you with Mickey Mouse. And this one is a swim trunk for boys. So you have little kids and you go on a vacation soon, I mean, why not? This is a regular t-shirt. It says dentistry for children. And this one. And yeah. So I'm gonna put right that. And that's it. I might include more clothes of mine for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If I do anything exciting, I'll include it in the next clip. The last clip you saw me, I was just cleaning the living room. I was just cleaning my bed. I'm currently sick just a little bit. I'm not feeling that good. So yeah, what else? I will try to record consistently and upload. I will have a new video up probably today of my new schedule. So yeah, what else? This Saturday I'm going to a quince, so trying to pop out videos before I go. So yeah, I hope you guys too enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Recording. I have to make sure I'm doing